Anyways, in today's video, I'm going to be doing stab only in MVSD. I kind of started the intro kind of abruptly, but yeah, as you can see, everybody's going for the stab. Wow. Most of this video probably just us getting cooked. Because our opponents are not doing stab only. Like, see? Like, what the heck? It's gonna be hard. Also, I'm thinking about doing another gameplay video. I was thinking about doing it, but yeah, these guys are just gonna run out because we know. They probably know. Yeah, it's gonna be hard. But anyway, I was thinking about doing another gameplay, but I've already done 2. So I don't know if you guys, let me know if you guys would watch that. My hitbox is not hitboxing? Yeah, like what? This is... What does this? I was trying to doing this earlier and my hitbox is just horrible. Like I'm already in them stabbing them and it's just like not even counting. Like he just stabbed him right there. Jump. Like how was that missing? Where's he going? What? Anyway, yeah, it's gonna be hard. Honestly, my head speak glitch, I don't know. Like, see? Okay. Yeah, so. I guess you guys can call this cheating, but I don't really care. Hello! Alright, technically, I guess you guys, like I just said, I don't know. I don't call this cheating, but, I mean. I had a bad speed glitch. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Hang on. Anyway, yeah, next game. Alright, next game. That was a 3-minute game. This might be a super long one. That. I might just do knife only. Yeah, I've already done the video. I'm trying not to redo videos. Yeah, we're cooked here. These kids look good. Kinda. Sweats. I want to shoot him so bad. It's out of this. Weird. These people are, well, the problem is when they know. My mic literally just fell. I don't know if you guys can probably not even hear me there. This is really a bad idea, to be honest. We might have to use. Let's see, what are they doing? Kids are just running. There we go. They're just running away. Like, dude, what is this piece? Piece of food. And how am, more importantly, how am I not hitting this? There we go. I jumped. It's alright, I'll take 2 kills. That was a bad one. Oh. I want to kill one of these so bad. How's this guy missing his shots? Nice. That was not bad. You're not kidding me. Broski shot through the wall? It's so annoying. Like, what are you guys doing? I honestly wanna just get one round in, like a real round. The hits. Okay. This hits. Okay, I know that's cheating. Hello. Like, what are you doing? Why are you running away, dude? My knife's scary. I'm not sure if their aim is really bad. Holy. Well, actually, my aim is horrible on mobile, too. My dash just went through the wall. I'm in this kid, bro! Literally in his head, and it's like missing. So, why is my hitbox so little? Okay, I'm just gonna get one round in. I can't. I'm not lagging. Hello? Are you kidding me? Okay. Nah, actually, won't on that. Anyway, we'll do one more. Alright, let's do one more with night, or we can stab. Alright, let's get it. Alright. Yeah, I guess barn. We're gonna do this one, but we can throw. Oh yeah, we gotta sweat. Okay, we're cooked. Oh! Kinda got a lucky shot in. She just having a stroll in the park. Pre-fire. Or pre-knife, I guess you could say. To be honest, guys, I'm kind of running ideas of MVSD. If you guys want any ones I can try, I can. But honestly, I might just go to just playing, like, I don't know. I'm not good with ideas. With my aim. I swear my aim is so weird. I meant my hitbox. I see, it's so annoying when they know what you're doing. Huh? How? I didn't even jump that time. Oh, he's gone. Yeah, it's probably the last game. Wait, hold on, this will probably not work. Where'd my cursor go? Okay, now my cursor's gone. I hate when this is. Okay, yeah. I don't know where my mouse is, so yeah. Alright, anyway guys, that'll end the video. Yeah, I know we got cooked, so I still don't know where my mouse is, it's just in bars. But anyway, yeah, probably just playing. I didn't really know what else to do. I play this game a lot, but yeah, see you guys in the next one, and yeah, peace. Gotta find my cursor. Alright.